Welcome to Wrist Lake, one of Parkville's most sought-after neighborhoods. Here, the attraction is clear. A vast 134-acre lake, a marina with covered boat slips, fishing dock, and an array of recreational facilities including 3 swimming pools, tennis and pickleball courts, sand volleyball, and even basketball. Plus, there's a playground and scenic nature trails, all part of the vibrant Wrist Lake community. Just a short 15-minute drive from the downtown airport as well as downtown Kansas City, Wrist Lake sits in an ideal spot. And only 8 minutes away is the quaint downtown Parkville, filled with great places to eat and some super cute boutique clothing stores. Right across the street from the main pool is where you'll find this home. Let's go take a look. This inviting 2-story home in Wrist Lake has a super open living area the second you walk through the front door. The dining room chandelier is gorgeous as well. You can also imagine yourself sitting around the fireplace during the colder months that we have here in Kansas City. The kitchen here also has plenty of countertop space and cabinetry that is in perfect condition. There are 4 bedrooms, which are all located upstairs. The master bedroom has a recently renovated bathroom. I fell in love with it the second I walked in. The shower has 2 shower heads, there's heated floors in there, and even a soaking tub. There's also a super nice back patio where I would spend most of my time making s'mores. And let me tell you guys, you can have all of the best movie nights you could ever imagine in this surround sound basement. There's even a full kitchen and bar down there. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel so you can keep up to date with the latest listings in Kansas City.